Experiencing issues with your Total Wireless refill? This video will help you resolve common problems with PINs, payment methods, and account synchronization. First, let's tackle PIN issues. If your refill PIN isn't working, ensure you're using the correct code and haven't exceeded the retry limit, which locks the PIN for 24 hours after 3 failed attempts. Use the Forgot PIN option in the Total Wireless to reset it via email or SMS verification. Always use the official app to avoid scams. Next, payment failures are a frequent headache. Make sure your card details are up to date, you have sufficient funds, and that your bank isn't blocking the transaction. Total Wireless accepts Visa, MasterCard, and American Express, but not prepaid cards for refills. Consider using digital wallets like PayPal or Apple Pay with two-factor authentication for added security. Finally, account synchronization errors occur when app or website data doesn't update across devices. Force sync via app settings, clear cache or data, or log out and back in. Always use the official app or website to avoid third-party errors. If you're still having trouble, the issue might be with account synchronization. This means your app or website data isn't updating correctly. Ensure you have a stable internet connection and grant the Total Wireless app all necessary permissions. Try force syncing through the app settings, clearing the app's cache and data, or logging out and back in. If the problem persists, it could be a server-side issue, requiring you to contact Total Wireless support at 1-877-698-8765. Remember to check trackphone.com/status for any service outages. Looking ahead, Total Wireless is adopting AI chatbots to resolve support queries and aiming for 95% uptime with hybrid cloud systems by 2027. Industry trends like eSIM adoption could eliminate physical SIM sync issues, enhancing refill reliability. Experts recommend enabling auto-refill to avoid manual sync errors, which has been shown to reduce complaints by 25%. Keep your app updated. For example, the recent 8.2.1 version improved account sync and reduced PIN errors.